Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to change the units of measurement for swimming in the Fitbit app. If you track your swim workouts and want to switch between meters and yards, this video will guide you through the process clearly and easily. First, open the Fitbit app on your device. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top right. Then, scroll down and click on Fitbit Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Date, Time and Units, and tap on it. Next, tap on Swim to view the available options for measurement units. You will see that you can choose between meters or yards depending on your preference. Select the unit you want, and the app will automatically save your choice. From now on, all your swim workouts will be measured using the unit you selected. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.